In today's video, I'll show you how to assemble the teleprompter for DSLR. So everything will be in detail. Congratulations guys. I guess you already have this teleprompter and that's why you're watching this video on how to assemble. And this teleprompter has been with me for more than 2 years. It has been doing fantastic service. And as you can see, this is how the mounting with DSLR happens. So this is the teleprompter where the display comes. So you can use DSLR as it is shown. And when it comes to app, it is available both on iOS and Android. So it is compatible to both. Always check the packet for the content. So you can see this remote control, then you have microfiber, and then this is the body. And body comes with this 49mm ring attached. And right now I have kept it separate. This comes with the body. Then you have different size ring. In my case, my DSLR camera is compatible with 52mm ring, which you can see which one is compatible to your camera. I'll show you in a while. Then you have this clamp, which is for iPad or phone. How you can extend this clamp, I'll show you in a while. Then this is the cell phone shooting clamp, which will hold the cell phone with which you will shoot your videos. This is the remote control. I'm sure it's easy for you to figure out how to use this. Comes with 2 AAA battery, which you'll have to insert, and then you will be able to work with this remote. This remote has this button you see here. Press it here, and then you have this side button here, and then you have this joystick, and then these additional buttons. See, these are additional buttons with which you can guide that teleprompter text. So once you start to use this, you will be able to figure out. I'll not go much in detail into this. If you want, I can make a separate video. So this is the body, and be careful when you're opening this. Just push it down a little, not forcefully, and then slide it like this. This is the mirror. Always keep this mirror clean. Let me turn and show this 49mm ring, which is attached to this body. So turn this, you see here, this is the 49mm ring with this cap on top of. So you can unscrew this like this and then place back. Then when you're sliding it, be careful. Sometimes it fouls here. So just loosen this and slide it down like this. Okay, when you're loosening this, just make sure you're just doing it a little and not fully, otherwise it's going to damage this plastic. So be careful when you're doing this. I have damaged a bit, but it's not worrisome. It's just some cosmetic damages, and you will be able to detach like this. Again, attaching any of the ring is easy. You just need to push this into the groove and then it will go and fit. So this can slide. As you can see, this you can extend, and whenever you want to secure, just secure it by tightening the screw. Now for the clamp, you can extend this to place the phone, this, and in case you want to put iPad, you have to press this and then pull this to extend to fit the size. So this is how it is done. It's quite sturdy. This is where you unscrew, and once you unscrew, you take this and match this. Let me show you how to do that. Once you this body and you get this down, now you see this hole. This is where you will screw in the same way, turning this. Now this hole will get matched to that hole, and this is how it will be positioned. This is where the mobile would come, and then turn it, just tighten the screw. This is how the position will be. Now let's take this out, and this, as I said, depends on the camera what you have. If your DSLR can accommodate 49mm, you can use this. My camera goes with 52mm. Let me show this. Once I bring this and I try to remove the cap, and this is 49mm. When I try to fix this to the camera, it won't get fixed. So that's how you can try and know that it is not working. It's loose, it's not getting tightened. This is the 52mm ring, and this will get attached to the DSLR camera which I have, and you can see this is now nice and tight and firms in one. So that's how you know that it is work. So all I need to do is now slide this into groove like this. Also, to secure this not sliding down, we will use this clamp. So this clamp we will attach and secure from sliding. So once you remove this, see, this is the washer, and then this is the, you see, a little squarish, and that's how how it goes in. So we will bring this here, align it, and then this goes inside this, and then this washer, you can put it like this and then tighten this nice and firm, and this will avoid the ring from sliding down. Now this tripod head, just take this out, and this you will attach to the body like this and tighten it. This is tighten, bring it to the tripod. Make sure tripod is stable and only go with a good tripod. You don't want to end up damaging your camera. So once this is mounted, this is how it will look. How to use the Desview app, I will not go much in detail. Once you go to the app, in there you can cut, copy, paste the script what you have, and then you will be able to adjust the size, speed, and all those things. I'm sure you will be able to do. If not, I'll leave a separate video for that. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, comment, and thanks for watching.